Guess where they put it? In insurance companies, usually in the form of BOLI, bank-owned life insurance. They borrow your money and pay you 1% interest. They turn it around and make 5. How much more is 5 than 1? Don't say 4. It's 5 times. They pay $10,000 a year in interest to borrow OPM, other people's money. On $1 million, they pay 10 grand and they make 50,000 by putting it into insurance with insurance companies. That's a 500% return. It's actually an infinite rate of return because it would only be 500% if it was on their money. They're doing it on other people's money. So it's actually an infinite rate of return. That's another subject. We have a lot of educational episodes on how to become your own banker. Let's get back to this. If I want to have the cost of insurance get cheaper so that I structure it correctly to accumulate my money tax-free and then be able to access that money tax-free, I want to then have my cash value be counted as part of the death benefit. I want the level death benefit. So when I put in 100 grand a year, if I put in 100 grand the first day of the first year, the first day of the second year, third year, finally the fifth deposit to comply with TAMRA, it happens in 4 years and 1 day. And now I have my 500 grand in there. But my original death benefit was $1 million. Now, if I die, they're only going to pay out $1 million if I do it the smart way because I want to have the insurance get cheaper as I get older. And so the net amount at risk is only $500,000 once I have $500,000 in the policy because $500,000 of $1 million death benefit is now my money. The insurance company is only charging me for half as much insurance as they did 4 years earlier, even though I'm 5 years older or whatever. Is this making sense? Well, based on average rates of return, 9.6 divided into the rule of 72, that $500,000 now is going to double in about 7.5 years. By the 12th year on most of the policies that many of my clients have, their cash value equals the death benefit. What's the cost for insurance now?